QuickBooks is moving away from the old sole trader experience, and it is for a great new version. I'm going to call it a great new version, but it is a nuance rather than just a forced upgrade. So if you haven't already heard about this, yes, there's a learning curve, but if this idiot can do it, then I think most of the other people can do it. Things like categorizing transactions, navigating the old banking area, it feels a bit different at first, but it's not a straight swap. So you do have to rewire how you think about it slightly. Once you get past that, it's a better product. I think you've got stronger data capture, more robust reporting, and importantly, AI is starting to genuinely assist with the categorization and reconciliation pieces. So it's not just a little bit of a gimmick, but it actually feels much closer to a proper accounting software now for sole traders rather than a simplified side tool. And I think that really matters with MTD coming in because sole traders are going to need something they can actually scale with them. So I think this makes really good sense. The only real issue, I think, is timing. Yes, it was rolled out a bit tight to the deadline. You can 100% agree that, that was not the best thing to do. It does add a bit of friction, but then again, who doesn't love a little bit of drama before a major deadline's about to kick in place? Hey, Robbie, what do you
I was
think?
about to say, who doesn't love drama before a deadline? I my hand up sometimes on that. I mean, I think coming late to the party on this one was quite a big step. I think it's obviously a change, and I think lots of people are wondering how the heck they get it done in time. I mean, there's been some fantastic clips out there around why did you do this at the last minute? And I guess that's the question. If this has been available, and as you say, if the product's up to scratch, then really could have given people more time to switch, I think, is my big answer. The one thing I did immediately notice was at the same time, Sage had released a report around the amount of sole traders, which is obviously what this specific tool was focused around, the amount of sole traders which are worried about MTD. And they reckon around 70% of people are not prepared for MTD, which is really interesting considering that they've just gone into a massive partnership. And as they've kind of launched into this saying, we're going to go and solve this problem, they believe they're spending around 24 days, sole traders spending around 24 days a year managing their time on financial admin. That's huge. That's an extra month that they're talking about doing this work. And in conjunction with Barclays, they've launched this kind of joint go-to-market, which makes it really easy for sole traders or SMEs to engage with the platform through their bank, have both the bank and the GL in one place, single integrated system. So I just think it's a huge step, where you've got kind of all of this work around a product, which is obviously, as Indy said, live and ready. I think the other side is, well, here's a tool which does MTD. It's integrated now into your bank. I think that's quite a big step towards what users want, really.